So, I'm set up, guys. Bugsy decided not to camp next to me. He did actually walk away down there to where I camped the last time. The sun's going down, guys. It is about 8 o'clock at night. So, set up. I'm using the One Tigress compound hammock. I've put the under blanket on. I was considering not using the tarp, but I thought, why not? I'll set it up because you know what it's like in Scotland. It says it's to be dry, but it ends up bloody raining, doesn't it? Rain, rain, rain. Even though it is like 30 degrees today. But, so beach camp. We camped here a couple of weeks ago. The reason I'm doing a lot of beach camping is because I live on the coast. I live just down from here. But the Galloway Forest, where me, Colin and Bugsy normally camp, is full. I was told last Friday there was 300 people camping at Lockdown. Sweating, guys. So yeah, I was told there was 300 people camping at Lockdown last week and the week before when I was meant to be camping there, but we ended up doing that beach camp. Yeah, I'm forgetting the amount of places I've been to. Yeah. So I'll probably go back to Galloway Forest, see when the schools go back. But at the moment, it's too busy. So for anybody that's interested, I've lost 2 stone and 4 pounds. I've lost 4 pounds since last week. I've done a little video during the week, so I've lost 2 pounds since then. So 4 pounds in a week's pretty good, isn't it? But I'll take you back and I'll show you what I'm using. I'm using the compound hammock by One Tigress, the One Tigress under blanket. I'm using the Quencher, or Quisher, or however you pronounce it, tarp. I don't actually have a One Tigress tarp, so maybe I'll need to get one to go with the rest of the setup, won't I? So the beach is quite rocky, this beach that we're on. Look, we've actually very lucky. Look, somebody's left tons and tons of wood. So we're sorted for tonight. I do have my backhoe with me, but we'll be sorted tonight. We'll get a nice little fire going there. So there we go, Quisher or Quencher or Quick, however you pronounce it, right? So, give you a look at the setup, guys. So there we go, One Tigress hammock and One Tigress under blanket. Not used it yet. I do thank One Tigress for sending me out the under blanket and the compound hammock way back in February, but because of the palaver that's been happening, I've just not been able to get out and use it, so I've now started camping more. But I like this, look, it's got a little nice little gear bit that you can zip up, put your phone in. So let's just say if you were camping over like a stream or something, you could put your phone in there, couldn't you? So that's my setup. We'll go along, we'll see how Bugsy's getting along. Who knows where he's went to. He might end up sleeping in his car. But there we go. There's the sun going down, guys. Chilling in the hammock, guys. You can't beat this, can you not? This is only like 20 miles from my house. Unbelievable. It's like I'm on a tropical island for me. Lovely. I wish the beach that I had has got trees like this, because this is an amazing spot. Look, Colin had this the last time. I don't think he'll be happy when he comes tomorrow if he's brought his hammock and he'll see that I've claimed this spot. But is that not amazing, that view? So we've got Aaron away over in the distance there, look. Living the dream. Right guys, Bugsy's at one end of one beach, right? He's here, right, look. And I'm a way round there, right? I was just speaking to a guy from Newcastle. He said that his mum lives over in Arran. He was having a little dinner. And I phoned Bugsy and I'm like, where are you? I don't even know where he is, right? But he's obviously stealth camping somewhere, isn't he? Oh, there he is, look! Where's your tent, Bugsy? Where's that brown tent? Oh no, oh. I can see him. There it is. There's the brown tent, look. Definitely brown, right. See, Kevin's is green. That's brown. Right. So Bugsy's at one end, I'm at the other. I like this little part here. See, because of the woods. That would be a nice little bit, Colin, wouldn't it? Wink, wink. We should look in there, shouldn't we? Shh, don't tell anybody. We'll keep it a secret. You alright, mate? You get your thongs on there, mate? You got your thongs on there, mate?
Yeah, got me thongs on, mate.
G'day, mate. G'day.
Lovely. It's always like this in Scotland.
Yeah. So there's where Bugsy is away up there, guys. Right. Sun is going down. I'm making my way back to where my hammock is. I've got some wood down there. I can't remember if I showed it or not, but I'm going to take it back up to their spot. Cook some dinner. I've got some nice sausages to cook. Sausages, I've got some chicken. Look at all of this. Can we see that? Look. I don't know if you can see them, but there's little lobster things jumping about everywhere. So yeah, I've got some nice sausages, some chicken, I've got some peppers, and I've got some mushrooms. So we'll get the fire going, chill. I'm going to enjoy that view. It probably will be dark when I bring you back. But awesome! You alright, mate?
G'day.
G'day, mate.
How's it going?
Alright, mate? Yeah. Sorry about my terrible Australian accent, right? Sarah tells me that I'm not the best at Australian. But sun's going down, as I said. I managed to get back before it's dark, right? But I'm going to have to go back again. I'm away at the other end of the beach. Bugsy's up here. So, I've came back. Lovely burrito. Is that still the pan from Chernobyl, Bugsy?
That's the pan for Chernobyl.
You still rocking the Chernobyl pan?
Not bought a tin of gas. Not bought a tin of gas since I got it. I mean, thanks to the good people of Chernobyl.
So it's about 9:30. We just messaged Colin. Colin says he's coming tomorrow, but it'll probably be a bit later. Nice little spot this. So tomorrow I'll probably camp here, but that'll be a separate video. It's warm. How warm do you reckon it is, Bugsy?
Well,
Right,
I'm
Skippy.
sitting in shorts and a t-shirt, man.
Yeah, yeah, mate. It's hot. Do you know I've actually had bloody shorts on since March. Sorry. I had trousers on last week, I think, for the first time, but I've went back to the shorts. But yeah, I'm going to enjoy that, and then I'm going to go back, get the wood. We'll get a nice little fire going. We're going to chill, aren't we?
Yep.
Right, fire's on, guys. Right, we heard this noise out there, right? But I reckon it was
The sound of Stuart stealing a picture of a pizza.
pizza.
Don't steal his... I have to tell you one more time. Stop stealing his pizza pictures.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh,
Right,
know.
we heard this noise out there, right? But I reckon it's maybe a submarine or something. It was something really loud anyway. But fire's going. What time is it?
Take two.
Right, fire's going, guys. Right. We heard this noise out there, right? I don't know what it was.
It's the noise of you stealing another pizza picture.
Pizza?
Aye, he keeps stealing his pizza pictures.
Okay. Right, but I reckon it was a submarine, right? But fire's going. What time is it, Bugsy? Can you shine that light?
Wristwatch check.
Wristwatch check, yeah. Me and Bugsy watched this Australian guy, right?
Archie Luxury.
His name's Archie Luxury, right? Paul Plitter. I'm not into watches. I like watching him because he's funny, right?
He is.
But that's what he says. Wrist watch check.
He was actually the inventor of the wristwatch check. All the other watch channels copy him.
Apparently,
Archie
so yeah.
Luxury
No.
invented the wristwatch
What's
check.
that? What's that other guy's name?
We don't say his name. We don't speak of him.
The rodent. Yeah,
The rodent. Yeah.
yeah. I'm sure he invented
No, he
that.
didn't invent it. Archie
Okay.
Luxury invented it, and he
Cool.
stole it.
Right. Okay. Yeah. So I like watching him. He is really funny, right? But fire's going, guys. What did I say the time it was? I forgot what time again. 10:30.
Wristwatch check.
Wristwatch check. Yep, so it's 20 to 11. I'll probably cook my dinner at midnight. If Colin's watching, that's an early dinner, isn't it? But you can't beat this, can you not? Look,
Nope, cannot.
as Derek would
On the
say,
beach. Get yourselves out there.
get yourselves out
Don't be
there.
sitting in the house watching Crossroads and Coronation Street. Get yourself out there.
That's a good impersonation of Derek there, isn't it? Denson Ranger.
Handsome
Sorry,
stranger.
right, sorry, I got a comment, somebody asked me Derek's channel, and I forgot to put the link, right, so I'm sorry, but I'll put the link under this video. I do apologise, right? But shout out to Derek, shout out to Kenny, shout out to Kevin, shout out to Kenny,
Shout out to Colin.
shout out to Colin, shout out to Bugsy, shout out to Eddie, shout out to Julie, shout out to Sinclair, shout out to John, shout out to Johnny. Anybody
Shout out
else?
to Big G.
Big G, Big G's daughter, Big G's son. I murdered with names, so I do apologise. Gordon. Marco.
Yep.
Marco's daughters. Marco's girlfriend. Shout out to everybody. If you're watching this video, shout out to you. Right? But Friday night on the beach, Bugsy's got his brown tent over there, look.
It's green shirt.
It's brown. But yeah, I'll bring you back later, guys. Yeah, oh, can we see that again? It does actually look quite green. No, it's definitely brown. Definitely brown. See, Kevin's tent did look green in the video, but
Olive green.
it's brown.
Olive green, the guy in the comments got it right. I can't remember what his name was, but he nailed it.
Khaki green.
Olive.
It's khaki brown. Right, whatever. Right. Bugsy's not amused. Right. He's not amused. Right, I better go.
I think something's get captured in there, innit? You get a heat off it, huh?
Have you ever heard a fox screaming?
Aye.
See when you're in the woods?
I stayed next to the glen when I was growing up. Heard it all night.
See if I'm videoing that, right? I don't know if you can hear it, but there's some noise in there, right? But see when you're first camping yourself in the woods, right? And you hear a fox screaming.
You get somebody being murdered.
It does. It does. It sounds like a woman getting murdered, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. Cats as well when they're fighting.
Yeah, it seems to have stopped now.
Something get caught. Tea time in the woods.
1 in the morning, dinner time. I've got some Monterey Jack pork sausages. I'm going to get them on the little fire. Not having much luck with this fire. The wood's kind of wet, right? Luckily Bugsy's been wafting it all night, like. So I'm going to use the TF grill pan. We'll get these sausages cooking. Yummy, yummy, yummy. They're going to be in my tummy. So, extra special Monterey Jack sausages. Right, sausages are cooking. That's not fake sizzling, Colin. Look, that's real sizzling. Flip them over. Covered in sand. Couple of more minutes, I reckon. And they'll be yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. Yeah, I better not touch it again. We'll leave it there. So, sausages are ready. Nice bit of chilli for them, look. Two in the morning, fire's blaring away nicely. More steam, Captain, more steam. We've been lucky with that wood, haven't we?
Yes, we got there in the end, Stuart. Bit of perseverance.
It was a bit wet to start with, right?
Oh, there was somebody was really just no believing in it. I don't know who it was.
But
Where did that guy go?
Who knows? Who knows?
Oh,
I don't know.
What a depressing guy he was, man. You know?
I don't know.
Just
But Bugsy persists, right? He doesn't give
persevered.
in. He wafted that fire all night, right? Bugsy's definitely the fireman, right?
Oh dear.
You go camping, you need a Bugsy or you need a Denson
Denson
Ranger. We said that at the same time there, didn't we? Yeah, you need a Denson Ranger
And Kenny.
and a Kenny. Three in the morning, guys. I'm off to my bed. Good night. Morning, guys. It's 8 o'clock. I wake my bed at 3, half 3, something like that. So I think at the moment it's 8:15 exactly. But I said about this last night, right? See my little pocket thing, right? As I said, I put my phone in there last night, and then you just send it away. Look, up it goes, up to the top here, above my head. Just as I do it, the thing falls off. It's been up there all night, last night, up there, look. But just because I'm videoing it, it's typical, isn't it? But yeah. Oh, it's been a while since I've been in a hammock. So comfy, they really are. I need to do more hammock camping. No view, it's quite cloudy this morning. I'm right on the beach, so you can actually see people going past. There's been a couple of people walk by this morning. I've got the best view ever. There's really fancy houses along this beach, and I'm here on my hammock. So I'm going to get up. Oh yeah, also forgot, this is the first time I'm sleeping in the Wind Tigress compound. Me and my Ollie have took this out. We've took it out. Me and Ollie do go out a lot. Right? We go out and do a lot of walking. So my Ollie, he likes to do a lot of walking. But what he likes is he likes to chill at the end. So we've got a little spot that me and Ollie might do maybe like 6 miles. So 3 miles there. There's a little woodland. I'll set this up for Ollie. And he always says, bring the one with the net. I've got 4 hammocks, sorry. My Ollie always wants the Wind Tigress one. He says that this one's the best one. So I've got the Wind Tigress. I've got 2 kind of cheapo ones that don't have a net. And I've got the DD Frontline. But yeah, I really like this one. I'm definitely going to bring this out more. I need to do more hammock camping, don't I? Always end up in a tent. Winter time I will be bringing my hot tent back out. So, but I probably will do a couple of hammock camps over winter. I'm using my 3x3 tarp as well. Normally I use my 4x4. It's the Quisha one that I'm using. But yeah, I'm waffling away here. Right, I better get up. It's not the best view of that, is it? Lying like that. So, getting up. Oh, I forgot, I've got my fancy socks on. Everybody knows that I love silly socks, don't I? What did these ones say? What did these ones say?
My dad is a my dad is super. They were a present for him, Ollie. He knows that I love my crazy socks. There's the sea, look. I'm the king of the swingers. Anybody coming along the beach? Oh, yeah, there's some people coming. Look. Cool, so look, I've got my little step, my half a tree. Not half a tree, sorry. It's a tree, it's growing. I think it's still alive actually. Bits of it's been chopped off. Look. So, and I'm up in that tree there, along. Then I've just got it pulled out along there. It does have extra, I did get extra lines on, see to the quencher. It doesn't actually come with them, to be honest. I did them on, so that it had the same pullouts as a DD. It only came with one there and one in the very end, along there, so I added the extra ones on. When it's really windy, you need extra tie-outs, don't you? My shoes. That's the little spot where I camped the last time, and I took the picture of my OEX Bobcat. I got actually asked by Millets if they could use that picture of my tent on the coast. So I'm doing a little bit of walking. Yesterday I walked 14 miles. I'd done 10 before we came here, and then I've done 4 when we were here. But at the moment I've done a mile. I'm always trying to do at least 10 miles a day. I don't know if I'll get 10 miles in today, but I'll give it a try. But I'm on my way down there to have a look. So I've walked along the beach a little bit. I've found this cool cottage. You can rent this cool cottage for anybody that doesn't like doing the camping. You could always rent that, couldn't you? But I'm only like a mile along the beach. I'm camping for free, but like my wife Sarah, she would want to camp. She would want to stay there and that. So I'm hoping there's a path and you can get up into the woods. Bugsy was saying that you can get up into there somehow. So I'm going to see if I can try and find a way up there. Found a cave, guys. I don't think I'll be squeezing inside it, but definitely a cave. If you're nice and trim. Bugsy was telling me a story last night when he was younger. They used to come up into these woods and they would be running. And he said one time he was running that fast. And he says he managed just to grab a tree. See, just before he fell off the edge. I would say that's a good 50 feet drop or something. It's quite high. There's an actual tree grown from that. It's grown inside that
that rock. Look, see it? So I found a path at the back. You can get up into the woods. But I'm on my way back down to where my hammock is. So there we go guys. I'm up where the trees are, right? Where Bugsy says he almost fell off, right? Look. I'm getting right to the edge. That tree there is right on the edge. I'm living on the edge, guys, look. I ain't going any closer than that. I'm scared of heights. That'll do, mate. So there he is, guys, right? Bugsy has to pick the spot that's 5 miles away from me, look. He's lying sleeping in his brown tent. Definitely brown, not green. Like Bugsy will tell you, right? We all know it is green. Brown, sorry, brown, not green. Oh! Oh, he's awake. I've awakened the beast. Oh! Look. Is he coming out in his pants? He's going to dance for us, look. You alright, mate? You got your thongs on there, mate?
G'day.
G'day, mate. G'day.
How's it going?
Alright, mate?
Yeah, lovely.
You going for a swim, mate?
Should be.
Yeah. Getting there shrimping the barbie, mate. So there's Bugsy. I was talking to a couple along. They're in the tent next to me, right? I'm right away along. I've just walked all the way along there, right? Away along to the end of that coast. And I've came back. So I'm going to go along there now, right? Because I see there's tents up there and I'm nosy. I want to see who they are. Right, there he is, look. There he is. 9:30. Did you get a good sleep, Bugsy?
No.
No? I got an amazing sleep.
Did you?
Oh, amazing. I woke up and there was a dog sniffing my foot. And I just looked down and I went, eh. Amazing. So there's an American couple next to me. They're actually living in a van, right? That's their tent up there. Sorry, their friends are living in a van. They've been living here for 15 years in a van. What they do is they go around about, do this kind of thing, camp in different places. There's their tent, quite a big tent. I'm along here. So I'm going to take my tent down. It's been a good spot. Really nice. I'm right over here. I'm hoping my stuff's still here because I was away down the other side with Bugsy. He's right away along. Right away along there. He's at one end of the beach and I'm at the other. So hopefully no dogs have been eating my food because I've got some food with me. I've put it in my hammock just so that they couldn't eat it. But I'm going to take the hammock down, the tarp and all that down. Nice little spot that. I did like that. Honestly, you can't beat a hammock. So there we go, guys. That's where I was, hanging from those trees. And as always, leave no trace. I've not left any mess, no bucket bags, nothing up there. So I thank you for watching. Stick my backpack on and off I go. There we go. So I thank you for watching the video. So there we go, I thank you for watching. Get my straps on. So I thank you for watching the video. If you could, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more camping videos, more campfire cooking videos, and more tent review videos. But most of all, I thank you for watching. Thank you. Cheers, guys. Almost forgot, if you could, hit the thumbs up button. Thank you.